I just discovered something that's quietly draining hundreds of dollars from Claude Code users, and almost nobody knows it's happening. One single prompt, can burn through over $100 in API costs without you ever clicking confirm. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how, on camera, and the 30-second fix that makes it stop. Let's go. Okay, so here's what's going on. With the recent Opus 4.8 launch, Anthropic shipped a new feature called Dynamic Workflows. Powerful stuff. But if you're like me and you run Claude Code with the dangerously skip permissions flag, which, let's be honest, most heavy users do, this feature can quietly turn into a money-eating monster. No prompts, no warnings, just silent token burn in the background. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Watch this. I'm going to give Claude Code a normal research task. Nothing crazy. Now look, see this? It just auto-loaded a skill. And this skill is not one I wrote. This comes built into Claude Code. It's called Deep Research. Okay, skill is loaded. Now what does it want to do? Oh my God, look at this. It just launched a dynamic workflow. And we're about to watch this workflow torch your wallet in real time. Look at this. 7 agents. 13, 18, 23. Let me check what these agents are actually doing real quick. All right, these are all search planning agents. We're still in the planning phase. We haven't even started the real work yet. Now it moves into the research collection phase. Much heavier, way more subtasks fanning out. Agent count is climbing. We're at 34 now. I'm not going to wait for this to finish. Let me fast forward to the end. There it is. 116 agents. 116 agents spawned from a single prompt. This is insane. Now, let's ask Claude Code to add up what this just cost us. Look at this. Claude is estimating that this single conversation burned through roughly $55 to $65 in tokens. From one prompt, use it 5 times and you're out a few $100, without ever knowing it happened. Now here's the thing. We can't just nuke this feature. As expensive as it is, Deep Research is actually doing real work. It's fanning out across the web, fact-checking claims, building a properly cited report. That's genuinely valuable. The problem isn't that it exists. The problem is it runs without asking you. So the fix isn't turn it off. The fix is make it ask first. Force Claude Code to stop and confirm before it launches one of these expensive workflows. Then you decide, yes, this is worth $60, run it. Or, no, just give me a quick answer for free. Here's how. Open this file. tude/claude/settings.json. Most of you probably have something pretty minimal in there. Theme, model, that's it. We're going to add this block. That's it. That's the whole fix. We're telling Claude Code, anytime you want to use the workflow tool, which is what every dynamic workflow runs on, pause and ask me first. Save the file. Now let's prove it works. Same exact research prompt as before. Watch this. Instead of silently launching 116 agents and torching $60, boom. Claude Code stops and asks, run the deep research workflow? Now I'm in control. I say yes when I actually want a deep report. I say no when I just want a quick answer. Very nice. That's it for this one. Look, I'm a heavy Claude Code user, like embarrassingly heavy. I run 2 Claude Max 20X subscriptions side by side because one isn't enough. We've got 24/7 unattended AI workflows running over here around the clock. I've built up way too many Claude Code tips and tricks. Production stuff, cost-saving stuff, weird edge cases nobody talks about. The problem is, I don't have a lot of time to make videos. So if you want the highest value AI engineering content I can put out, hit subscribe. I'll save you a lot of money and a lot of pain. See you in the next one.